This is 7 in National News, and in our top story, the UAE President, His Highness Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, in his capacity as the ruler of Abu Dhabi, has issued a law establishing Etihad Aviation Group as a public joint stock company. The new law stipulates that the company is an independent corporate entity with a full legal capacity to carry out its activities and achieve its goals. It will also be owned by the Abu Dhabi government. The law also stipulates that the objective of the company is to own, develop, build, finance, invest, operate, manage, maintain, rehabilitate, relinquish, acquire, expand, mortgage and rent any air transport projects and businesses, as well as to invest in all trade, industrial, real estate, aviation and air transport projects, and to develop, own, register and license intellectual property rights, brands, trade names, patents and all relevant rights and designs. His Highness Sheikh Hamdan bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the ruler's representative in the Western region and chairman of the UAE Red Crescent Authority, has given instructions to increase the RCA's budget for local assistance by 200% to meet growing humanitarian needs within the country. His Highness Sheikh Hamdan has also instructed the RCA board to adopt initiatives that will enhance the UAE's efforts to provide a decent life to Emirati citizens and expat residents, and to also improve local programs. His Highness Sheikh Hamdan urged the UAE's largest aid agency to introduce creative programs that attract the support of philanthropists and donor organisations, and to also build constructive partnerships so as to deliver the RCA's mission locally and internationally. Appealing to donors and supporters, His Highness Sheikh Hamdan stressed the need for making a qualitative leap and breakthrough in humanitarian and developmental programs, and to adopt long-term programs rather than just delivering urgent relief assistance. And additionally, Princess Haya of Jordan, the wife of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the Vice President of the UAE and ruler of Dubai, has donated 1.87 million dirhams towards emergency food rations for South Sudanese refugees in the Gambela region, as according to United Nations Refugee Agency, the UNHCR. Part of the donation will help feed more than 120,000 refugees and set up a better system to process food rations. According to officials, more than 430,000 South Sudanese have fled to Ethiopia, and about 131,000 new refugees have arrived in Ethiopia since mid-December. Women and children make up 95% of the refugees. The Dar Al Ber Society is offering free medical checkups to low-income families at the Burjeel Hospital. According to news agency WAM, those in need can enjoy free medical consultations and discounts on surgeries, laboratory tests, x-rays and physical therapy. The announcement was made by Abdullah Ali bin Zayed, the board member and CEO of the Dar Al Ber Society, who stated that the initiative is being offered to low-income patients listed with them, and by interacting with the Society's live radio programme, Heaven's Gates, they can apply for the free medical services. He added that other patients in need can also submit verification documents. The Ministry of Interior, represented by the Traffic Coordination Department, has launched the 3rd Unified Traffic Awareness Campaign for this year, under the slogan of "For your safety, adhere to the traffic rules." The 3-month campaign looks to bring together the efforts of the authorities so that motorists abide by traffic rules and regulations for their own safety. Brigadier Gaith Hassan Al-Zabi, the Director General of the Traffic Coordination Department, was quoted as saying that drivers' lack of commitment to traffic laws caused 1,302 accidents in the first quarter of this year, resulting in 181 deaths and 1,929 injuries, ranging from mild to severe. He also stated that the Traffic Coordination Department at the Ministry of Interior is carrying out the campaign in cooperation with the Traffic and Patrols Department nationwide, including over 20 federal and local authorities. And additionally, the Road and Transport Authority is looking to install speed sensors into its fleet of 9,292 taxis by early next year. According to reports, Dr. Yusuf Al-Ali, the CEO of the RTA's Public Transport Agency, stated that the move comes after a significant reduction in speeding fines following the introduction of the technology in a number of taxis in 2013. The monthly average of fines fell from 650 to 200. Aman is a speed sensor device connected to the engine of the taxi, which puts brakes on those speeding. It grants 60 seconds to the driver to reduce speed. Sharjah is looking to expand its flyovers, subways and pedestrian crossings to help boost traffic flow and to help save lives. Sulaiman Abdul Rahman Al Hijiri, the Director for Roads Affairs at the Emirates Road and Transport Authority, was quoted as saying that the mega scheme involves the installation of iron railings on main roads in order to avoid jaywalking. Around 8,000 metres of railings at a cost of 4.3 million dirhams are being installed on roads that have seen a number of run-over accidents, killing and injuring jaywalkers. These include the Al Wada Road from Al Khalifa Al Rashidin Bridge to Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Road, extending from the Abu Shagara Tunnel to the bridge to the industrial area too. Al Hijiri urged the public to use subways and flyovers and cross the roads from pedestrian crossings. And finally, looking to other news now, with an increasing number of tourist arrivals in Dubai, together with the target of attracting 20 million tourists by 2020, the Emirate has positioned itself as one of the most favoured destinations for holidaymakers. As per a new survey by MasterCard, Dubai was ranked 5th in the list of destinations of choice for international travellers. As per the MasterCard Global Destination Cities Index, Dubai jumped 2 positions this year in the annual index that assesses tourist arrivals in a city and predicted the Emirate to attract 11.95 million visitors in 2014. The cities were ranked in terms of the number of their total international visitor arrivals and cross-border spending. London was positioned as the top destination for international travellers, with a forecast of 18.7 million visitors, followed by Bangkok, Paris, Singapore and Dubai to round up the top 5. Dubai was also identified as one of the fastest growing cities in the global top 10, on track to overtake Paris and Singapore within 5 years' time. The index ranked 132 of the most travelled cities around the world, which have benefited from a surge in international travel, together with innovations in luxury travel and a rising need for business travel.